can't, dude. Hold on. What? Ah! Guys, the craziest thing just happened. We were driving on the highway and I think we saw Jason Voorhees in this abandoned farm. So we just stopped real quick. We're gonna fly their drone and we're gonna see if the Jason is actually here. Guys, smash the like button. Here we go. Let's go. Okay, yo, I know he's here somewhere, but it's, holy cow, dude, it's actually really dark. I can barely see, honestly. What the frick?
What the heck, bro?
Yo, it's really dark, man. Okay, guys, I'm gonna try brightening up the picture here, but it is getting really dark. We were literally driving on the highway and we randomly saw Jason Voorhees. I don't know if we're gonna be able to see him because it is pretty dark, but we're gonna try our best here, guys. It's the first time I've ever even driven a drone at night. Oh my god,
dude,
wow, what
the wow.
Okay, it is a really pretty sunset, but Jason Voorhees is somewhere here, man. Dude, we gotta be very careful. I'm just gonna fly around the drone, around this barn a little bit. I don't know where the heck he is, but I swear I did see him somewhere, man. Like,
dude, where could he be?
He is somewhere here. Like, we gotta be very careful, man. Especially since, bro, look at that sunset right there.
It's getting really dark.
It is really pretty, but where is Jason, man? Do you see anything anywhere?
Dude, it's
freaking dark,
I'm trying to find him, but I really can't see much.
It's really hard to see. Dude, I'm telling you, he is here somewhere. I can't tell where, just because
we just gotta keep looking. It's
so freaking dark.
We gotta keep looking and we will find him.
Okay, yo, here's the question I have to ask you. So, let's just say for some reason it gets so dark that we can't use the drone anymore. Are you willing to get out of the car? Jason Voorhees might actually be here, dude.
I'm
like,
ready.
There's a chance that he might. You saw him too, right?
Dude, like, we do all kinds of crazy stuff for the fans, and honestly, I don't mind for you guys at home.
Okay, dude, I'm gonna wait. Oh, yo, I see something. What the freak was that? You see that?
Dude, what?
Look. There's.
Whoa, what the heck?
What is that? What is that?
Move?
Yeah. What is that?
What is that?
Dude, I think that's a machete.
Dude, what?
I think that was a machete, dude.
It's messed up.
Oh my god, yeah, it is.
Whoa, what the heck?
You see that?
Yeah, it's like glimmering in the light, bro.
All you can see is a machete shining, bro.
Yo, it's like the metal from the machete blade, like, shining.
Yeah. Oh my god, that's like the only thing you can see. You see it?
Dude.
You can like barely see him, though.
Yo, do you think that's Jason?
Dude, 100% is Jason. Let me try to go a little closer. Bro, where the heck is he? Dude, it's completely pitch black, dude. I think if I brighten the footage, they'll be able to see. Oh, there he is. Yeah, you see him?
Oh my god.
You see him? You see him?
What the heck?
Holy shit. Oh my god.
Oh, bro, what is he doing?
Bro, he's freaking scary, man.
Dude, he's like cutting up stuff or something? Like, what is there?
I don't think he knows we're here, but you can literally see his machete. You see that?
Dude, that's messed up, man.
And you know it's a real machete because it's like glowing.
Yeah, the way that it shines, only a machete blade shines like that.
Okay, where did it go, man? I can't see him.
Dude, what the heck?
Oh, he's right there, he's right there.
Yo, is he like trying to go inside that barn?
Oh my god, you can see his mask!
Dude, what?
You see the Jason mask?
Yeah, I see it, bro.
Holy shit, he's right there.
Whoa!
Oh my god, he's right there. You see him? Holy crap, guys. It's literally Jason.
No, he's like wildly swinging around. I really hope like he doesn't like come near us or anything.
Holy crap.
Dude, what the heck?
Yo, this is actually intense, man. Where the frick is he though? Bro, it's getting so dark. This is the scariest shit I've ever seen. Because here's the thing, you can barely see anything. All I see is this barn right here. I'm trying to look around.
Dude, you want to like just step out of the car and investigate further?
Bro, should we get out of the car?
I think we should. Like,
you're right, it's pitch.
Because it's getting really dark, and the only way we're gonna know for sure if that is Jason is if we get a little bit closer.
I do agree. I don't think we're able to see him from here. It's just so dark. I did see something for like a second, but he disappeared. So you know what?
Dude, let's do it. Let's get out of here.
Okay, guys, we just stepped outside of the car right now. I can barely see anything. We gotta be really careful because we saw what looked like Jason. I'm pretty sure it was Jason. Don't you think it was Jason?
Yeah, I think so, man.
Who
else could it be, bro?
It's literally in the middle of the dark right now, guys. We can barely see anything. Let me show you what I'm talking about. It's literally pitch black.
Guys, there's literally...
what the heck are you... The frick is that smell, dude?
Dude, guys, look. There's literally like cow manure like right here.
Getting really close. I'm pretty sure this is where Jason was. Shh. Do you hear that? Yeah. Dude, what is that? There's something inside. Look at this. I think this is freaking horrible. Are you sure we want to go inside?
Like, do you think this is where like they hide stuff? Like,
bro, this is not where they hide stuff. This is where Jason is. We literally saw him on our drone. He was here somewhere, remember?
Yo, but like, what is he doing, bro?
Dude, I'm freaking. We could be here anywhere. Guys, one like equals one prayer, guys. We need all the luck we can possibly get. Make sure you smash the like button, subscribe, and turn the post notification bell on.
I'm just feeling like really weird vibrations here, bro.
Guys, look, we're getting really freaking close. Bro, are we actually going in, bro?
Dude,
it's literally pitch black, bro.
Like, we know Jason's here. We have to, bro.
Sake, man. This is a horrible freaking idea, man.
We made it this far, we might as well take it all
We
the
gotta
way.
keep going, eh? Okay, guys, we're almost inside, and there's a lot of random stuff here. Whoa!
Watch out.
Almost tripped, man. What the fuck was
Watch out,
that?
dude, there's like broken glass everywhere. Like, check that out right here. Like,
Okay, rusted stuff everywhere.
yeah, watch out. Gotta be careful.
Let's go this way.
Yo, what's up with this random alley?
I don't know, dude.
Who brought this here? Like, dude, like, there's no shopping malls nearby.
Yeah, that's true.
That's so weird.
That's true. I never thought about that. Holy shit, dude. Is this even safe? I don't think this is a good idea.
Cow, bro.
Guys, we're getting second thoughts about this. Like I said, one like equals one prayer. We're gonna go inside right now, guys. Okay, let's go. What the heck is this place?
What is this spot?
Okay, yo, dude, we gotta go in, man. But watch your step, dude.
Okay, go.
This is like very dangerous, guys. And we're doing all of this for you guys. Make sure you guys never do this yourself. Okay, let's have a look around. Yo, what the hell is that?
Whoa, what the? What?
Yo, did you see that?
Dude, what?
Yo, I swear to God, I thought I saw something, man. Yo, what the frick was that, bro? Yo, what the hell? You saw that, man? Yo, Joe, what's that? Wait, bro, was that Jason?
Dude, like, what else could that be, bro? Like,
Yo, why the hell are we going?
because we need to know the truth.
Okay, you're right. Okay. Okay, you ready, bro? 3, 2, 1. Okay, dude, that's weird. I swear to God, I thought I saw something here. Did you see something?
Yeah, like, I saw a figure, like, I felt like I saw something. I could be wrong, but...
Okay, well, I don't see anything right now, man. This is freaking creepy, guys. I swear, I thought I saw something. Maybe we're wrong. I don't see anything right now.
Man, I just feel like weird, like, haunted vibes.
Okay, yo, let's keep looking around, bro. Holy crap, look, there's a ladder.
Dude, what the hell?
I don't know if we should go up, though. It looks...
Yo, look at the spider, bro.
Where? Bro, look. What the heck? Holy shit.
It's
Holy,
gigantic.
what
Dude,
the...
that's huge.
What the... Bro, there might be spiders everywhere.
Dude, what the fuck? There are spiders everywhere.
Oh my God.
Oh my Lord Jesus.
Oh my God, bro. Oh my God. Oh my God. There's probably spiders on us. Bro, look how big the spider is. Let me film it. Guys, look how big that spider is. Oh my God, there's more spiders.
Spiders
Okay, yo, bro, I'm getting scared, man.
Bro,
Is there something on me? Okay, yo, bro. I don't know if I'm more scared of the spiders now or Jason.
what the? I feel them everywhere, bro.
Okay, yo, here's the thing, man. Okay, Kazi, I just realized something. I know we're scared of spiders, but there's also something else here. Remember we were scared. Shh, what was that? What the fuck is that? What is that? What's that sound? Yo, should we go closer? I don't see anything. It's freaking dark. Guys, smash the like button. One like equals one prayer, guys. I can't see anything. It's so dark. What is that? What is that? Holy shit, I can't see, bro. It's freaking dark. Wait, what the? Yo. Dude. Yo, it's Jason. Yo, back up. Yo, he's coming towards us. Dude, freaking run, dude. Run. What the frick? You keep running. Yo, Cassie, what happened? Stop, dude. What do you mean you're stuck? Dude, Jason's coming, dude. Where is he?
It hurts.
Dude, wait, dude, come on, let's go, dude. We need to go. Dude, where are you going?
Aldo, just leave without me.
Dude, I can't, dude. Aldo, what? Ah! Run, let's go, man. Run, let's go, dude. Let's freaking go, dude. He's gaining us, dude.
Don't let him take us.
Dude, he's gaining on us. Dude, he's freaking coming, dude. He's coming, dude. Let's go, man. What the frick, dude? Watch your step, dude. Watch your step, man. He's freaking gaining on us, dude. Holy crap, he's coming, bro. Bro, let's freaking get out of here, bro. Dude, what the frick, man? Where did he go, bro? I don't see him anywhere.
Dude,
Yo, why is my car light on?
yo, what the?
Dude, why is my freaking
Dude,
car
you
light
didn't
on?
leave it on when you left, right?
I don't remember, dude.
I don't think so, bro.
Dude, let's go to my car quick, bro.
Let's go, bro.
We need to get out of here, dude. How's your leg? Are you okay?
Yo, I'll be alright, bro. I just need to go,
Okay,
bro.
let's get out of here, bro. Let's go to... Holy shit, man. Get in the car, bro. Get in the car. Bro,
Open the door, bro. Open the door.
Yo, tell him. Yo, he's right there. He's right there, man.
Bro,
oh my god. Yo, tell man. Oh my god. What the frick? Yo, he's coming, bro. I can't see, man. I can't see.
Bro.
Yo, what the frick, bro? I can't see, man. Yo, holy shit, he's coming, bro. He's coming, bro.
Bro, Aldo.
Oh my god, he's right there.
Hurry up,
he's right there, man. He's freaking coming, dude.
Why is the car not going faster?
Dude, I don't freaking know, bro. Oh shit, about to crash.
Oh my god.
Holy shit, I crashed, bro. My freaking crashed, bro. You okay, bro? Holy shit, bro. Is he behind us? Dude, where the frick is he, man? Bro,
I can't believe you crashed your car,
bro. I freaking crashed, bro.
Bro, what's wrong with you?
I think he's following us, bro. We have to. Yo, go inside the house, bro. Go inside the house.
We can get away from here, maybe.
Yo, let's go inside the house, man. Go inside the house. Holy shit, bro. Whoa, what is this house, man? Oh my. Dude, I don't think we can even go in here.
Dude, look at that spider web. It's gigantic.
Frick, dude, where's Jason, though?
Dude, I'm not ready to go inside.
Bro, where's Jason, man? Yo, we gotta go inside, bro.
Dude, how are we gonna get inside? Look at that gigantic spider web.
Dude, I don't freaking know, man. But where's Jason? Jason's here somewhere, man. Dude, where the heck did Jason go?
Dude.
Bro, do you think he went inside here? Bro, because he was following us and he just disappeared, dude. I don't know if it's a good idea to go in here, man.
Bro, do you hear that?
I did crash, but...
Guys, do you hear that?
Yo, look, yo, dude, there's bullets on the house.
What the heck, bro?
Okay, dude, let's... I don't know if we should go inside here, though. Be careful, man. Holy shit, dude.
Oh my god.
Did you see that spider?
Yo, dude, that's gigantic. What the heck?
Bro, what the frick?
Bro, get closer.
Bro, that spider's huge, man. I'm not going close to it.
Bro, we're going to the steps.
Dude, I'm not going to the steps. That's huge.
Get way closer.
Bro, screw off. I'm not going, bro. You do it.
No, bro.
Okay, yo, dude, I think
bro.
Jason's inside there, man. Listen, I crashed,
I'm
but
okay, bro.
I think we should just go back to my car now, dude.
Dude,
I don't know where he is.
Let's get out of here, bro.
Okay, let's go to my car, bro.
Okay. Dude, like, let's get out of here.
Dude, let's go back.
This is bad vibes.
What the?
Like,
What is that?
Dude.
Jason! Yo, run! Yo, dude, I'm glad we got out. Holy shit, dude. This is freaking crazy, bro. Freaking crazy. Let's get out of here. Look at that freaking house, man. Holy crap, man. This is freaking scary, bro. I'm never coming back here again.
Dude, I never want to be
Jason's here, dude.
I'm so happy we made it out alive, bro.
Dude, he's still in there.
I can't believe you crashed your car too, like.
I know, dude. Well,
bro.
Oh my god, I almost felt. Oh crap.
Oh my god, bro.
Dude, it's hard to drive, man. Yo, Kaz, can you believe we managed to escape, bro? Dude, how the heck did we escape, man?
Dude, I really don't know. Like, I almost hurt my leg. I was stuck. The car crashed.
Is your leg okay, man?
Bro, honestly, it still hurts, but I'm glad we got out of there alive, bro.
Dragon Army, we did that just for you guys. Barely, guys. We barely escaped from Jason. So, and you know what? It's probably because you guys smashed that like button. So thank you guys for smashing that like button, guys. Make sure you subscribe and turn the post notification bell on so when I upload more videos you don't miss out. Also, guys, a huge thank you to Kazi, guys,
hey guys,
for coming and joining me, guys. Make sure you guys go check out his app. It's called Thread. Create and sell your own merch directly through the app, guys. Link is in the description down below, guys. Go download it. Thread. We are gonna head home now, guys, and we're gonna go home. I'm just gonna go and just thank the Lord for my life, cause yo, I don't know if you saw this or not, but you know when your leg was hurting? Yeah, Jason literally swung at me. I had to duck.
I saw that, bro. That was
that?
insane, bro.
Dude,
what are you talking about?
If I didn't duck, I would have lost my head. Like, he actually, he was like this. He swung with his freaking machete. And
dude, he totally swung at you.
Yeah, dude,
that was insane.
Like, if I didn't duck, dude, I would have actually died. Like,
bro, you're acting a little too calm about this.
No, dude, I literally almost died, bro.
Dude, that was...
He swung at me,
we
bro.
almost lost you,
It was
bro.
the scariest shit ever. Like,
that was crazy.
Bro, the funny thing is, your body just goes crazy. Like, when you're not thinking about it, your body just does crazy shit to keep you alive. But I actually almost died, bro.
Bro,
like,
I'm still in shock, bro.
Yeah, man, you hurt your leg. Like, that was bad, man. I don't think we should go back there.
Literally, like, my leg still hurts, bro. It's crazy. It's been a crazy night, guys. Like,
Dragons, we'll see you in the next video. Peace.